Welcome to Digestion Step by Step. In this video, we will follow food on its journey through the human digestive system, from the moment it enters the mouth to the moment waste leaves the body. We will explore the organs involved, the enzymes at work, and how nutrients are absorbed and used by our cells. Every day we eat food to get energy, grow, and stay healthy. But food is only useful if our body can break it down, absorb it, and use it. This is the role of the digestive system, a coordinated system that transforms food into nutrients our cells need to survive. Here is the human digestive system, the path food takes inside our body. It starts with the mouth, then passes through the esophagus, into the stomach, continues through the small intestine, and ends with the large intestine, colon, rectum, and anus. But digestion isn't just about the tube. The salivary glands, liver, gallbladder, and pancreas play key supporting roles. They don't carry food, they produce secretions that help break down food. There are 5 main processes: ingestion, taking in food or drink; digestion, which is breaking food down; absorption, which is moving nutrients into the blood; assimilation is using those nutrients in the body's cells; and finally egestion, removing undigested waste as feces. Physical digestion means breaking food into smaller pieces like chewing or stomach churning. Chemical digestion uses enzymes to break big, insoluble molecules into small, soluble ones that the body can absorb. Physical digestion begins in the mouth with the teeth. Incisors cut food, canines tear food, premolars crush and grind food. As for molars, they grind food into very small pieces. This increases the surface area of food, making chemical digestion by enzymes more effective. As for chemical digestion, there are different enzymes that act at different points. As for amylase, it is produced in saliva and by the pancreas. It breaks starch into simpler sugars. As for proteases, like pepsin in the stomach or trypsin from the pancreas, they break proteins into amino acids. As for lipase from the pancreas, it breaks fats into fatty acids and glycerol. In the stomach, gastric juice contains hydrochloric acid. Its acid environment kills harmful microbes and provides the right pH for protease enzymes to digest proteins. Meanwhile, the bile, made by the liver and stored in the gallbladder, enters the small intestine. Bile does not digest food itself, but it emulsifies fats, breaking them into small droplets. This increases the surface area so lipase can act more efficiently. Bile also neutralizes acidic food coming from the stomach, creating a suitable pH for intestinal enzymes. Most absorption happens in the small intestine. Its inner walls are folded and lined with tiny projections called villi and microvilli to create a huge surface area. Through these villi, capillaries absorb sugars from starch and amino acids from protein, sending them into the bloodstream. Lacteals, lymph vessels in the villi, absorb fatty acids and glycerol. Once nutrients are absorbed, undigested remains pass into the large intestine. Here more water is absorbed. The remaining material becomes feces. Finally, waste is eliminated via the rectum and anus by egestion. So, from the first bite to final egestion, the digestive system works through a coordinated journey: ingestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation, and egestion. Remember, good food, good digestion. Your body deserves it. Let's see. If one digestive organ stopped working, which one would affect digestion the most? Drop your answer in the comments. Let's think like biologists. Bye-bye.